Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out Kuwait airport offices on the Kuwait Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the more button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that you should tap on Kuwait Airways offices in the right side. After that you will be directed to a page where you need to select the region, and after that the city, and click on the offices button down below. Here you can find the offices and their address, opening hours, and as you scroll down you can see the number of the call center, their email address if you would like to contact them for any further information. Here you can find the cargo address and the airport address too. So that's how you can check out the Kuwait Airways offices on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.